This is Agentic, open source signing infrastructure for AI agents on Solana. Today, many on-chain agents sign by holding keys, EMVs, private keys, and funding agent wallets. Useful for autonomy, risky for user custody. Agentic flips that boundary. The agent prepares the action, but the user's existing wallet reviews, approves, and signs. It is one signing layer across MCP, Vercel AI, Solana Agent Kit, CLI, desktop, web, mobile, and wallet standard. And it's not just a protocol. The approval workspace is live. One inbox for requests, policies, receipts, and wallet gated decisions. This is the user flow, real actions, visible approvals, transfers, swaps, sign-ins, recurring payments, and batch reviews all stop at the same boundary before anything is signed. The timing is now. MCP gave agents tools. Solana wallet standards gave users control. Agentic sits exactly where those two curves meet. Whatever wallet the user already trusts stays the signer. Phantom, Solflare, Backpack, Jupiter, Wallet Standard, and Mobile Wallet Pass. Cloud can store intent. Agents can prepare actions, but signatures stay local. Allow lists, receipts, and local-only keys are the safety model. Watch the wallet approve. Real mainnet signatures across transfers, swaps, and recurring payments, all verifiable on SolScan, not a mock. For users, bring your wallet. For builders, one signing layer. For Solana, zero new trust assumptions. Agentic is a Solana real wallet adapter for AI agents. Agents prepare, your wallet signs.